Welcome children. I hope you all have enjoyed the last class. Children, now we are going to learn about soils. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. Soil is the uppermost layer of the land surface, usually composed of minerals, organic matter, living organisms, air and water. Types of soil in India. They are as follows: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, saline and alkaline soil, peaty and marshy soil, desert soil, forest and mountain soil. In first, alluvial soil. Alluvial soil consists of sediments deposited by rivers along the river course, floodplains, delta and coastal plains. It contributes the largest share to the agricultural production of India. Alluvial soil is divided into two types. They are Ghadar and Bunker. Ghadar is the newer alluvium of sandy, light colored soil, whereas Bunker is the older alluvium of more clayey soil. Alluvial soil can mostly be found in northern parts of India and east coastal plains, Ganga and Brahmaputra river valleys, plains of Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal and Bihar. This soil is very fertile and soft in nature. This soil is pushed by the waters of rivers and settles in plains. Rice, wheat, sugarcane, oil seeds and pulses are grow well in this soil. Next, black soil. This soil is also known as black cotton soil because cotton grows well in this soil. Black soil is formed in the Deccan Plateau because of volcanic activities which happened thousands of years ago. It is fine grained and generally rich in lime, iron, potash, alumina, calcium and magnesium carbonates but lack in phosphorus, nitrogen and organic matter. It has a special property of holding moisture. Black soil can mostly be found in Maharashtra and Malwa plateaus, Kathiawar Peninsula, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and northern parts of Karnataka. And cotton, millets, tobacco and sugarcane are grow well in this soil. Then red soil. The reddish color in the soil is due to the presence of iron oxides that are mostly found in the eastern side of India. Most parts of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, East Rajasthan and Orissa have red soil. This soil is porous and not retentive of moisture. It is generally poor in lime, nitrogen, phosphorus and humus. But when suitable fertilizers are added, it becomes rich in fertility. Wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane and pulses are grown in this soil. Then laterite soil. Laterite soil formed in the regions where alternate wet and hot dry conditions prevail. It is formed by the process of leaching. Laterite soil composed mainly of hydrated oxides of iron and aluminium. This soil can mostly be found in Assam hills, hill summits of Kerala and Karnataka and eastern Ghats and regions of Orissa. Then coffee, rubber, cashew nut and tapioca are grow well in this soil. Next, forest and mountain soil. This soil is found in the mountainous regions such as western and eastern Ghats, the Himachal and Sivalik regions. This soil is very rich in humus and organic matter. Plantation crops such as tea, coffee and rubber grow well. Assam and West Bengal in eastern Himalayas are principal growers of tea. Next, arid and desert soil. Desert soil is found in arid zone of the northwestern part of India, Rajasthan, Gujarat and South Punjab. It is sandy, alkaline and porous in nature. Though it is highly infertile, crops are cultivated with the help of irrigation in some areas. Crops grown are wheat, rice, barley, grapes and melons. Next, saline and alkaline soils. This soil formed due to ill drainage which causes waterlogging, injurious salts are transferred from subsurface to the topsoils by the capillary action. It causes the salinization of soils. This soil consists of undecomposed rock and mineral fragments which on weathering. This soil found in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, in the drier parts of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Next, peaty and marshy soils. This soil formed in humid regions from the organic matter. It is found in the areas of heavy rainfall and high humidity. Peaty soils are black, heavy and highly acidic. This soil mostly found in Kottayam and Alappuzha districts of Kerala and coastal areas of Orissa and Tamil Nadu, Sundarbans of West Bengal, in Bihar and Almora district of Uttarakhand. Paddy, jute, or grow well in this soil. Okay children, there is a video which gives more information. Children, watch it and enjoy. Children, okay, thank you. See you again.